Is that good fresh water? You like it? Yum, yum. This is our new cat water fountain. It's the Ciays automatic pet water fountain. It can be used by dogs or cats. These types of fountains usually work best with cats. And we do have 2 cats. I'm hoping one comes up and starts to take a sip here. Running water is appealing to many cats because it looks like a running stream. Now this can hold up to 2.5 liters of water, and there is a visible water tank indicator on the side to show you when you need to refill. Here's the box that it came in. It lists some of the product features. It helps prevent urinary and kidney disease in pets through increased hydration. Premium pump, powerful, reliable. 6 free-falling stream aerates the water. There's a triple filtration filter that comes, includes non-woven fabric, activated carbon, and cationic resin. The filter will help prevent harmful components in cat fur from getting into the water. So it comes with 3. One's in there now, and then there are 2 spares. It has an electrical cord. You can see that. The cord is 5 feet long, so it doesn't have to be right next to an electrical outlet. On this case, we didn't have an outlet here, so we put it through the door, under the door, into the next room. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Okay, probably should turn it off before doing this, but anyway, there's the filter. And water just comes up through the filter there, and then underneath, there's a look at the pump. And you see the water bubbling up. Okay. And then very easy just to put back together. We have 2 cats, and they both do seem to enjoy drinking from this. At first, our little black cat, Raven, and we call her Kaka, was very skeptical. She didn't know what to make out of this, but she's since enjoyed drinking from it. Here's a close-up of the front of the fountain. And there you can see the water streaming. We have this on a mat, as you can see, which is recommended. You might want to get one you don't need one this large, but this is what we had on hand. I have heard that cats like to have their water separate from their food because that's how it is in the wild. You know, I don't know if there have been studies on this or anything, but we have water closer to the food bowl, and then we have this streaming water in another location. So the cats can get hydrated even when they're not hungry. Thanks for watching. Oops, here comes a cat.